All right, so um yes, no. Last recording was the 13th, I think. And ever since then, did get out the count. Got the count right here. But so let's get into analyzing right now. So we're looking at gold right now. I actually did have the bias here. After I saw this, price was here last time yeah, it was Monday, I think, or Tuesday. Could have been either or, but I remember price was dropping. I think it was here, right here Tuesday. Um, but price was dropping, and I did anticipate it to drop some more. But after seeing this higher low here, new price was gonna at least get to this area here, right here. So I did have like a demo trade. Not even. I don't know why this keeps happening. All right, not even a demo trade, but like just put it on the charts. It was somewhere like here. Little trade. Um, but yeah, I did anticipate it to get here. Once it got here, it reacted quite strangely, if I'm being honest. But overall, looking back at it, pause. It just created a higher low here. So I haven't entered on gold yet. I actually was gonna enter for a sell here, but I'm glad I didn't. Practicing patience and showing that yeah, don't need to take a trade every day. I'm just gonna be patient. But I am waiting for gold to hit this area here. I do want to see price hit 2,700. Want to see how it reacts off of that. Want to see if we break through. Honestly, that's why I'm not really looking for any entries right now. For gold, I just want to see if we could break through. And I'm patient. I'm gonna be patient because there's gonna be trade every day, but not every day. But you know what I mean. Um, if price does end up breaking above, this is gonna be my first take profit. Next take profit 2,750. Next one's to the moon, honestly. But just waiting to see what it does here. So I want to see how it reacts. If it rejects lower high, or pushes up higher low, and we off to the races. GA and AU I have been trading recently. And GA. Let's look at it. So GA was here. No, it was up here, somewhere over here, last time. And I'm gonna be honest, I did have it dropping. I had all three of these pairs dropping. So with GA though, we did see price retrace off of the just retrace. Broke through, retrace. Nothing special about this area right here. But after I did draw this, but I'll explain it a bit. So nothing really special. We scale out to the 4 hour. Moving average still way over, right over. Hold on. All right, it was not a home invasion, luckily. But where was I? Here. So moving average, red was over the blue. So we are clearly in a downtrend. Clearly just trending down. And keep scaling down. I always see prices just retracing here. And it didn't particularly retest the 1.9750 as I would have hoped. But it was either this. It was either price were to come up and genuinely retest it, then push down, or price were to retest and then break through the low it just created. That's what price ended up doing. And I didn't enter till I saw price give me strong momentum here up below this area. So when price pushed up, waited for a break below this area. As you see, price came down here, created a little retest, of the moving average, but I already saw the moving average crossing over. So I entered stop loss a little above the moving average crossover, a little above. Just give it room to move because I was confident price was going to push down. But um yeah, I didn't move my stop loss after that. Just going to let the trade rock. And let's explain this trade here. So I entered here earlier in the day. Entered here earlier in the day. I can show you my journal actually. Let me show you. Right here. That was a loss. Entered here earlier in the day for a sell. And the moment I entered, price moved the opposite of my direction. But I cannot complain because this was not the entry I should have entered in. This is because price didn't even clear the area. I think I could show it. Let me see. I entered right here, right there. You saw that when price was all the way down there. I entered, boom, right there. Did not wait for a strong close below, and that's what cost me. That's what cost me that trade. Should have waited for a strong close below, and I just didn't. I hesitated, entered a little bit too early, and got stopped out. But I knew that I was still bearish. I wanted to see price clear this area, and I knew I was going to be at the charts at that time. So what I did, waited till after market reset and everything, but I placed a pending trade here at this area right below the low. So I knew that price, what I saw price coming down, and it was simply coming up to retest a little bit, and retesting the moving average, then dropped dramatically, and knew there was news coming out. And so yeah, I had my pending there, stop loss above the low, or the low it broke provisionally. Could have had it here, but wanted to give it some breathing room. Take profit, same 1.95. Did initially have it here at this area right here, but price already smashed that area, so 1.95 it is. AU. Alright, back to it. AU is what we're looking at now. And yeah, AU. Let me see. I had AU pushing down pretty strongly too. I was very bearish on AU. I had this area here, like this whole area here, somewhere around here. The price was just stopping at, and overnight price just pushed up. Could have anticipated this. We do see this higher low. I need to just pay attention to structure. Sometimes price will make moves against the overall trend, but this is a pretty strong move right here, up higher low, moving average crossover. That tells me price is moving up now, at least 4 now. So right here, price pushes up, strong push up, and it's coming down now. And honestly, right now, right here, I'm bearish. I'm not touching the sell button. I'm not touching nothing. I'm just waiting until price gives me a reason to enter. And I eventually did get that here. When I saw it, I scaled down on 1 hour. I'm like, yo, moving average blue over red very strongly, very separated right here. Very strong indication price is pushing up. All this is a retracement. I see price pushing up now, and this was a little bit risky, I can't lie, but I had a pretty wide stop loss, and the lowest point I did anticipate price getting to was around this area, and price did get around this area, but this was after I entered, so price, I didn't really think price would get there again. It might create a higher low or something, but so Yeah, I entered here. Had a so let me read this now. Price was right here, right? Closing right here. I entered for a buy up to the 0.625 area because I did want to just enter that trade because I did think that price was gonna get there, but I didn't want to. Uh, I wanted to make a little quick trade. That was a little quick trade I was interested in. Then I had the real move I was looking at. I didn't put a lot of risk on this. Then I had the real move I was looking at, which was this trade. Had a pending trade above the lower high. So price broke structure here. Uh, had it above this area right here. Price broke the structure. Entered stop loss below this higher low. And take profit up to this area right here. So this area is the batch of the low, so this is basically all I'm looking for price to get to for now. If price breaks above this, then we could look for price to get higher. But this is all I'm looking for prices to do right now, and um, we'll see from there. Honestly, so this is it for now. Price just did hit this for gold, but this is it for now. Price did move strongly off of some AUD news, but it is retracing pretty heavily. Or it's just consolidating pretty heavily. We'll see what price does though. I'm just gonna be patient, not gonna touch anything, and yeah, gonna just wait. So that is it for now, and yeah.